Hi, want to know how to unblock any contact or number on your iOS 18 iPhone? So, as a first step to find this tab with block contacts, we would need to open Settings and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Apps. Usually it's located at the bottom of this settings list. So click on it, and here on the list of all of the applications we would need to look for our phone application. Here is it on the letter B. So open it and then scroll down. Here we are looking for the tab which is named Block Contacts, and now we would need to open it, and here you would be able to find all of the people that you have blocked. And if you would like to unblock it, we would need to choose the person that you would like to unblock. Here you can see the information about it, and now we click edit at the right upper corner. Then here we would need to click on this red minus so we can move it out of the block contacts, and here we choose unblock. So this is it. As you can see, this number has disappeared from the block contacts list, and now you can get calls and messages from this number again. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.